How to use dual messenger on your phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you want to use two different messenger application in the same phone, then here's the real guide of how you can do this process. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to make a clone of your messenger application, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and open up the settings tab from your phone, and from the settings you scroll down and find out the option called advanced feature. You'll get to the advanced feature. You just need to tap on this, and inside this one just scroll down to the very bottom and you'll get to see the dual messenger option. You can tap on these and this will get into this one, but make sure this feature is only available on the Samsung Galaxy phone with this option. But if you're using different phone like Oppo, Vivo or any other model, you can find out the similar option inside the settings. And once you get into the dual messenger option, inside this one you'll get to see I have few different application installed: WhatsApp, Facebook Messengers. If you have more, you'll get to see the list of option here, and then go ahead and enable the option that you want to make or get a dual app for the application. Let's say I'm gonna make a clone of the messenger application, so I'm gonna enable the messenger option, and here it's asking me to install another messenger, so I'm gonna tap on install. This will take a little time. You'll get to see the second copy of messenger has been installed. And now if I get back from here and if I go to the messenger section, he'll get to see it has immediately created a new messenger application on my device. This is my current messenger, but if I go to the second one, he'll get to see this is created a fully new messenger for me. You can actually log into your another messenger account right over here. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.